Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the MTN8, Orlando Pirates 2, Durban City 1. I'm joined by Prache.
Hey, Steve, how's it?
Tripping as always.
Yazi ngithi singabantu abadala.
Ngiyangithola Rudman.
Singabantu abadala.
Ira stop to bottom.
So mele sibe clean,
Ngiyangithola Rudman.
Support ibhakaniya mele ube clean baba. Yeah, ibhakaniya al associate nabantu abangekho clean kahle.
Thina kanye.
Ngiyakusola nawe. Steve, it is a team. Happy Women's Day. Okay. Obviously it's tomorrow, but maybe tomorrow we might not get the opportunity to say that.
Yes.
Asesho nje ukuthi abo mama bethu siyabathanda. Even though sometimes guess namaphutha wethu.
Yes.
But we like the fact yokuthi abesuthu bathi bomme bathwara thipa ka bohaleng. Abanye bakhulisa abantwana nani.
Yes.
We are grateful for that. Siyabonga lokho.
Yes.
So Steve, asize namhlanje. I-management irespondile kule yanto ya last week. Bafethu. I-management irespondile kule yanto ya last week.
Yeah.
Yokuthi kube ne chaos.
Sure.
But what we like ukuthi bakhiphe ne statement.
Sure, Prache.
That on its own kuyabonisa ukuthi basithathele ekhanda.
Yes, Prache.
Bakhiphe statement but ayiphelelanga lapho.
Yes, Prache.
They equally refunded those people who had the valid tickets.
Yes, Prache.
So it's important. Kuyabonakala ukuthi kune cohesion between the fans and management.
Yes,
over and above that, we arrived here namhlanje. The gates were opened timelessly.
Yes.
So we're grateful because kuyabonakala ukuthi kunezinto abazenza right.
Sure.
Let's go into the games, Tibo. It was not going to be an easy game.
Yes, Prache.
Durban City, a team that doesn't concede goals.
Yeah.
And if you can check their track records, team yama draw.
Yes.
They don't score many goals, but their defense is solid.
Yeah.
I was actually surprised because Pirates into beyenza namhlanje. They were taking a lot of balls because they didn't have option.
Yes.
Amabhola amaningi wabo bewa crosser.
Yeah.
But maba crosser lama bola defensively labafana ba strong aerially. I think it's about 6-7 balls ebez crosswa ama wings wethu and we're not winning.
Yes.
So kuyabonakala ukuthi this season I think moving forward we're lacking that creativity a bit.
Yes.
Isikhala sikamfukeni siyabonakala.
Big time.
But then life needs to move on.
Yes.
Kumele sithole solution ukuthi if a team comes with a low block senza kanjani.
Yes.
Sekuyacaca manje ukuthi iDurban City might be a good team for Orlando Pirates. So let's must move vela ku league.
Yeah.
I-coach must check ukuthi wenza kanjani. I was not happy ngama subs wakhe, coach, and this is a problem that is incurring from last season.
Yes.
Ama subs wakhe sometimes don't make impacts. I mean mazokhipha uMaswanganye.
Sure.
It means the creativity is no longer there.
Yes.
At least Tatu Apolisi umfake kuleyo number 10.
Yes.
Kube ne creativity nyana
Yes.
so that the team ibonakala ukuthi kwenzakala. But also when we I think under pressure siyaphenika say Orlando Pirates.
Sure, Prache.
Because mawuya phambili wesobona ukuthi akunamuntu othatha irresponsibility. I can tell you now, I did not see a player that was willing to change this game. Abe calm, a control izinto kahle. Everybody besekajahile.
Sure.
Afunana ne goal and you don't get a goal like that. You need to relax, keep your composure so that we get goals. I was also shocked ngosibilibili. I've seen 5 or 6 balls. Magazbam, I know Sibilibili being a player that will take somebody on, a creative opportunity nyane ukuthi angascore.
Sure.
But today most of the balls because Buyisele move.
Yes, Prache.
Umbata, where he was supposed to shoot, he was not taking those shots. Where he was not supposed to shoot, he was taking shots. So these are the things that the coach needs to maybe work around them. Laba bafana basha bafikayo, we need to give them time.
Yes.
Ukuthi ba adjust in the team. And I think there's an improvement to Orlando Pirates because last season by this time beseluza ama game 2.
Yes.
So there's an improvement ukuthi the first game ye league siqale kahle, we won. The first game of this tournament we won. So let's move on with that pace and then sobona ukuthi kwenzakalani. But so far I don't think kukhona okubhethe okwenzakalayo. And ngibonga namabhakaniya ukuthi aba discouragewanga ile ya chaos last week.
Yes.
They came namhlanje stadium was half full, so I'm grateful for logo as well. Siyabonga Steve.
Thank you Prache. Thank you Prache. Yeah, well said.